Victoria here from Lifetime Story Photography, and in today's video I will show you how to use Liquify and what an amazing tool it is. If you want to download this image, I will put a link and you can play up with this image and you can practice. So without waiting, let's get started. So in this site you'll have your tools, and if you hover over them they will tell you what they are. I do have my favorites tool, and that's what I will show you. So with this, the first thing what you want to do is to use, I know it's top to bottom, but what I like you to do is to take the freeze mask, and this what does, it draws a mask over the baby or over the face or over the subject what you don't want to change. And then when you take any tools, you can see I can do any changes, it just doesn't changes the face. Now we put the mask over the face of the baby because I don't want to change that. With the first tool, the warp forward tool, what you can do is maybe bring things which are oversized or too big, bring them to beautiful size where you think they will look much nicer. Sometimes, especially if you shoot with a 35mm lens, you can make the head bigger, so you can push that in a little bit. Now you can play with your size. I left my pressure at 57. I like it there. Again, you'll have to play with the settings and see which one is great for you. Now the second tool which I want to show you is this tool where you remove the mask from the baby. So now if you want to do a change in there, you can do it. These two tools here, I don't use them the reconstruct so much, but you can still use it. And what you can do is that if you pushed your baby's head too much, you can go back and bring it back to that shape what it was, slowly, so you reconstruct that part what you've changed. Now with the bottom one, you can press this button and you can change it according to the mount. So if you think that this was too much or too less, you just go around there. Oh, that looks better, and you leave it there. So it's under the properties, under the brush reconstruction option. Now the third one, it's a thrill, and I don't use it in babies, but if I had the material around, when you press, it makes like a thrill or a whirlpool, and with material can work, and it's beautiful. The pucker tool, I love the pucker tool. What you can do is, if you had a bump which is bigger, or maybe the breasts are bigger, you can make it smaller. For example, here my headband, it's a little bit too big. What you can do, if you hold it and you drag, it pushes it inside and it makes it smaller. Perfect. Now the next one down, blow tool, makes things bigger. So if you wanted to bloat it here a bit, you can bloat it in there. So let's bloat a little bit this cheek and this one. Just tiny changes if you want to do. And this one, the last one, which is push left, is that it's pushing the entire line. So if you go to the left, you see it pushes it out. If you go to the right, it pushes it in. So we go right in and we bring it inside a bit. I love this one so much. I think I use this one mainly on all my mums, especially around the legs, because I just love how beautiful it goes. And around hair, I love to use that around hair. Now let's make this beautiful round here on this baby. Now you'll have to be careful with this tool that you don't change the shape of your lines. And I know I'm pushing it here to the extreme, but I don't worry too much, because I'm working on a mask right now, and what I will do, I'll go and fix that after. So when I've done this wrapping, it wasn't very perfect. So before, if you press P, it will give you a before and after. Okay, so I'm trying to make this round here, and I will have to fix this one with the Photoshop tool, maybe clone it, bring more texture, I don't know yet, but it's something which I can't fix it in here. That's why it's good to make sure that you get everything right in the camera. Now what I love this face liquify, and I don't use it on babies, but you see, selecting the face, and you can change the jaw, you can change the face width, you can change the nose. We don't need to do anything on her because she's perfect as it is, before and after. I know this part is not ideal, it's just because I haven't wrapped the baby well, but this is what I have and this is what we do. But this is how a liquify it's working, and I hope you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will post an final image of this beautiful baby girl, and don't forget to tell your friends and share my channel so we can do I can do more videos which you will learn from it.